Well, come up here to Caliente to shoot a history on this area. Getting ready to start shooting. This train come up, so I figured I'd get a shot of this UP headed up the hill around the Caliente horseshoe curve. Coming through the OS at I did a piece on the horseshoe curve. I'll link that in this video for you. And then I shot it from over on the other side over there. Not an awful interesting place for the rail fans, but I know you guys like to see trains. I don't care if only 4 or 5 of you end up watching this, I'll still shoot them for you. It's my channel. Manifest train. My plan is to, at some point, put a video together of a whole bunch of trains in different areas. When I put that together, I will link the video I put up of the history of Caliente. Head in over on the other side of the curve. That is looking south. West, you can see Caliente Bodfish Road. Curving away to the left up there on the other side of the building. Crosses under the tracks, right over there. And way up there on the side of the hill, side of the mountain, you can see where the railroad goes through, siding of cliff. Crossing Caliente Bodfish Road. Keep going down that road that way, or actually up that road that way. You will stay to the right, you'll end up at Twin Oaks. Take the split to the left, we'll go up over the Lions Trail through Avila down into Bodfish and to Lake Isabella. If you've never driven that road, it's a pretty road in a car. It's really curvy. It's a nice ride on a motorcycle though. This train is slowing down. There is a track gang up by Tunnel 1 doing some work. I'm not sure what they're doing up there. I believe there was just a derailment up there. It wasn't real big, but you can see just to the right of the signal there, you can see the trucks up there. Maintenance away up there doing some work. So So this train is slowing down. It may even come to a stop, so I'm not going to stand here while it does all that. You get the idea. All right. See the head end up there. And Caliente is, for those of you who aren't, for those of you who are not already aware of it, where the climb between Bakersfield and Tehachapi begins in earnest. Between here and Bakersfield, it's only about a 1% grade, but as you can see, starts making a pretty major climb right here. A really grade up this is, I think, 2.2 or 2.3%. I don't know exact numbers. I've read them before, but it's steep all the way up to Tehachapi from here. So anyway, there's the end of the train approaching. Looks like he's keeping his speed up now. About 10 miles an hour, so obviously a slow order up there. Kind of a neat little view there. The train actually looks like it's on top of itself.